O yan, gusto mo magdala, o ayan.
Is that Ulta Beauty, Panda Express, and Wingstop? Shelly, that's the shop that we went to on your birthday and you started crying. Shelly, that's the shop we went to when you got your sloth, your toy sloth. That's the shop we went to.
That's Big Five.
That's the mall. Look inside.
Kaba? Ano may kaba?
Did you get my sloth?
Yan, puna mo yan. IKEA Target.
Afraid I get trapped in. That's Target.
Puna mo yung Target.
I want to go to prison.
Shimmy, can I come with you?
Look at the trees. They have lights.
Wow.
Whoa! Look over here.
Pag Christmas yan.
Shelly, look at the front. Look at there.
Dito naman tayo.
No!
Yan.
I don't want to.
Ayan, sa susunod, gusto niya dyan sa Ay, kumain na tayo dyan, di ba, nung graduation mo?
Oo.
We went there, Chili's.
Can I eat it?
Ayoko na sa'yo, nagmumura ka eh.
I want chili.
Hindi maganda yung bukang bibig nito pagka nagagalit. At least ako. O yan, T-Mobile, IKEA. Spectrum.
What's that?
Makabulto
Can I
dito.
drink it?
Pero ano yun na yan? Ever table ba yan? Bagong pizza na naman yan. Ayan. Hindi niya alam. Hindi nga niya alam umuwi mag-isa eh. Next time, sa Sunday, pupunta tayo dyan. I'm gonna buy you clothes.
Clothes? We don't have clothes yet. Auntie, what's that? Auntie,
Eh,
just go in the house.
ay, paano ko kaya ano pa ba? Subukan pa ba natin yan sa Biyernes? Baka wala nang tumanggap sa'yo dahil late ka na kasi. Bagay, sinabi naman ni ano kung
Kasi masisira yung sasakyan.
oo.
What is the Wall Street? Shopping is beautiful.
Kainin nyo na yung cake.
Mama, I'm a good cook, Mama. I'm a good chef, Mama.
Show on!
I'm a good chef.
Show on!
Good chef. Good chef to cook.
Ayun, gusto niya naman puro itlog dyan, no? Sa
She don't
IHOP.
like it spaghetti. She
Kumain
don't
na
like
tayo
it
dati dyan
spaghetti.
eh.
Oh.
She don't like spaghetti. She don't like it. She don't like spaghetti.
Yeah.
Like spaghetti.
Order ka ng order ng pasta, hindi na mo kinakain.
Eh, kainin bukas.
Parang correct pa pag magsalita eh.
Sino?
Michelle. Tapos
Oh, shopping, that's good.
sabi, anong kainin mo? Gusto mo ba yung ganito?
Shopping, that's
Sasabi niya sagot, pasta nga daw.
Alam mo kaya niya yan sinabi, nakita niya lang yan to sa YouTube eh.
I like
Yung pasta.
pasta.
See?
I like
Pero hindi
pasta.
naman niya naiintindihan kung ano yung pasta.
I don't
Ba't hindi mo kinakain? Nandyan na sa harapan mo yung
Mamaya,
pasta.
tingnan
I
natin yan.
want pasta instead.
Eh, sasabi ni Shermin, sarap ang pagkain pero malungkot.
Yung dyan? Oo, ano ba yun? Thai barbecue ba yun?
Papa, I missed the bus. Mommy, it's
Yan, uwi na, 8:30, tama lang.
Ayun o, preschool din po to.
Eh, ewan ko, paano ba yan?
Ay, yan siguro sinasabi ni ano. Oo, yan siguro yun.
Gusto mo subukan din